Hi and welcome to another video. Today we're going to look at the Marshall Willen 2, 17 plus hours of portable playtime, Bluetooth, dust and waterproof. What else would you want? Let's see what else they tell us. Marshall sound signature, again 17 hours plus of music, dust and waterproof, fastening strap. I really like that. That can be very useful. You could put on your backpack, on your bicycle, and in different other places. Maybe when you go outside in an outside gym and you work out. And it also has built-in microphone, so you can take calls, which is really good. And yeah, Bluetooth Lee audio radio. I was just curious if it actually has Auracast, but I'm not really sure. It doesn't say. So let's go ahead and unbox it. 1962. I guess in here we have the charging cable, which see, oh, really nice design. Marshall USB-C to USB-C, and that's what we want to see from many other speakers, especially from the I think it's called the Bose SoundLink Mini. I think that has micro USB. My god, change it please. USB-C. I want to get rid of all my micro USB-C cables. Sorry, my micro USB cables. So this is where you have your information, safety. That's something for you guys to read in your own time. So yeah, let's just take this out of the way and concentrate on the speaker. So first of all, look at how beautiful design is. This is metal, Marshall. I mean, that's just beautiful. This is the button which clicks up and down, left, right. And this, I think, I don't know what it is, but it looks like leather. It might not be leather, but no, it's just a finish, but it looks amazing. USB-C to charge your devices. It has a full fit in there to stay up in position. That's the, let's see, it's from here. Oh, there. So you drag out, there's like a little clip in there. You can put this around objects. So on the top I can see it says Willen 2, power button, Bluetooth. You can see the microphone in there and the battery status. But yeah, again, beautiful. And this is the JBL Go, just so you understand the size difference. So yeah, let's go ahead and turn it on. Press and hold on this. I love that. Let's just turn off and on again. Beautiful. And the LED red like that looks amazing. What I can say. I think I've previously paired this with my phone. So let's just quickly look into the app as well. So that's the Willen 2 app, and then you can say add a device, and it finds it immediately. You just click add. Gives you some information here about how to preserve the battery, which is quite good. I'll show you that in a moment. And then it says a new firmware it's available, but I think that's just like 4 updates, but that's not real. It's just an image. I mean, it is real, but not in this situation. So yeah, let's get started. So it shows you the battery percentage. Really nice. And as you can see, it has a little heart in there. That means it has the option to preserve the battery life enabled. So as you scroll down, you can see the EQ presets, and you have Marshall, push, and voice. You can't really change these EQ presettings, which is a bit disappointing. You can only move through them. There's no custom. That's what I want to say. Battery preservation, I did enable this to maximum, and what it does, maximum charge, limits the maximum charge to 95%, which is really good. Lowers the charging speed if the temperature is outside the ideal range, so that's good as well. And charging speed limits the maximum charging speed to prolong the battery lifespan. So yeah, it will charge a bit slower. And then in there you have like the serial number, firmware version, and to forget the device. I'm not going to show you that, but that's it. That's all it is in the app. Probably with other speakers from Marshall you get a bit more things to change, but that's all you have on this one. So let's just quickly play a song. So we have a free song in here. Let's just turn it back to the beginning, and we'll start with the sound middle, kind of like that. Sorry, I was touching the microphone a bit. I live inside my own world of make-believe. Kids scream. So one thing I've noticed is that when you turn up the volume, now it's like 50%. It sounds quite low compared to others. Others will be already the same as this one is at maybe 60. But I've noticed that once it's at maximum, it's very loud. I mean, very loud. It's as loud as the others. So yeah, don't worry about that. In the cradle's profanities, I see the world through ice covered in ink and bleach. Cross out the ones who heard my cries and watched me weep. I love everything. Fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush. Nice bass. It has two passive radiators. Actually, let's shh. It has two passive radiators, one in the front, one in the back. I'm not sure where it's positioned exactly on the front, and also a speaker. So let's just take my eyes open to force reality. Why can't you just let me eat my weight in glee? I live inside my own world of make-believe. Kids screaming in their cradles, profanities. Some days I feel skinnier than all the other days. Sometimes I can't tell if my body belongs to me. I love everything. Fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush. So yeah, the sound is quite nice. To be honest, I have quite a few of this size speakers, and what I've noticed with this one is, like, you think at the beginning that it sounds a bit dim, but if you don't have any other speakers to compare, obviously you won't know, so you feel like it sounds perfectly normal. Then when it goes all the way up, it still maintains the bass, you know, bass, nice highs, mids. It does lowers the bass a bit towards the maximum, but it keeps a really nice bass. You can feel like the table moving, you know, when it's actually playing. So let me just try and see if I can we can do a quick sound comparison just to get an idea between them two. So let's just do a sound comparison, As you can see, JBL Go, let's see what's the volume on that. Just leave it at the round middle, kind of like middle towards up here. So let's start with the Willen actually.
I live inside my own world of make-believe. Kids screaming in their cradles, profanities. I see the world through ice covered in ink and bleach. Cross out, hope my cries and watch me weep. I love everything. Fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush.
So as you can already tell, this one has a better bass, better sound quality. This one is louder at this volume at least. So now if we increase the volume, let's do it up to there. Yeah. So I think it's this one that's playing now. Yeah.
Shh. Take my eyes open to force.
I really like how it sounds on that section. Let's go back to this one now.
Shh.
Sorry, my bad. I thought the volume is for both of them. Let's just turn this up in the same way as the other one. Let's just double check. So that's like that. And this one is exactly the same. Up, yeah. Oh, sorry, my bad. So let's hear this.
Take my eyes open to force reality. Why can't you just let me eat my weight in glee? I live inside my own world of make. Kids screaming in their cradles, profanities. Some days I feel skinnier than all the other days. Sometimes I can't tell if my body belongs to me.
Let's just put them in a different position. So still with Willen.
I love everything. Fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush.
Okay, I think it's clear to me that this one might go a bit louder, but the sound has really nice highs and mids. Not much bass. Not much bass. This one is, on the other hand, definitely has a better sound quality. Highs, mids, and bass, which I'm surprised. They've done a really good job. Yeah, it doesn't go as loud as the others, but you know, when you are inside of, you can't expect this one to be as loud as a big boombox. So yeah, definitely I love the sound of this. To be honest, I have quite a few, and this one has a really lovely sound. So yeah, we'll just turn this off, and we'll have a bit more listen to this.
Taste your content, hold your breath and feel the tension. Devils hide behind redemption. Honesty is a one-way gate to hell. I wanna taste consumption. Breathe faster to waste oxygen. Hear the children sing aloud. It's music till the wick burns out. Be carefree lately, yeah. Just picking up daisies. Got one too many quarters in my pockets. Feeling like the poly clovers in my locket. Untied laces.
Yeah, guys, there you have it. This is the Marshall Willen 2, one of my favorite speakers of this size. So yeah, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Please give us a like, subscribe, and leave us a comment. I'll see you next time. Ta-da!